Hey guys, Keto Maniac here. I am going to attempt the Keto Twice Baked Cauliflower Casserole. Sounds quite yummy, and it has bacon in it, so of course that makes it yummy. And I'll get back to you. Next step, I'm making bacon. So the recipe calls for 6 bacon. I'm going to watch it because I just can't imagine 6 being enough, just because I love the taste of bacon. So I may add a little bit more. I'll keep you posted. Bacon is done. Cauliflower water is about to boil. So I'm going to put the cauliflower in. Okay, cauliflower going in. So the cauliflower is cooking. Into it we will add 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of full fat sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of green onions. I put in 6 pieces of bacon and a tablespoon of minced garlic. So all of these will go underneath the warm cauliflower when it is completely done boiling. I'll be back. Okay, cauliflower is done. Add it to the mix. Salt and pepper it, because I am positive it will need it. And then I'm going to mix the heck out of it, okay? So, this is what it looks like mixed. I probably could have cooked my cauliflower just a little bit longer, but it's just not mash. It has some texture to it. So, and I took a bite. It's really good. It definitely has that baked potato with all the fixins kind of feel to it. So yeah, yummy. So now I'm going to put it in a 9x9 pan. I'm baking at 350. And we'll be back. Oh! Top it with a 1/4 cup of cheese and the extra bacon. Okay? I'll come back. Cheese has been added. And bacon has been added. So the oven was reheating, or heating up. Preheating, I guess. So I will put this in for probably, what, 15 minutes maybe? It says until the cheese is melty, but what I'm probably going to do is after it's all melty, I'm going to stick it in the broiler and get it nice and crunchy on top, brown. Pretty much done, so now I'm putting it in the broiler. And just let the cheese darken up a little bit, and it's good to go. Can't wait to taste the final. Yum. Absolutely delicious. Yeah. I won't. This is a chance for my actors. Really sing. Sober. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. Well, this is the Keto Maniacs. Thanks for watching. Let's get on with our week.